Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. And I'm gonna show you how I made these cute little state-shaped keychains. If this is your first time here, I make project videos of things that I make using a Glowforge Laser Printer. And if you like those type of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. This is one of them ideas that I've been having that I was gonna sell at a business expo or a festival or something like that. Secret. You know, people love buying little accessories like that all the time. But with everything that's going on, it might be a little while before we be going to any type of festivals or business expos or anything like that. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I made those acrylic inlay keychains design. I'm gonna be using CorelDRAW 2020. As you can see, I already did Tennessee, already did Texas. Now I'm gonna show you how I did California. I got this image off of Google. I just Googled California black and white. First thing you're gonna do is select your image. Go up here to bitmaps, convert to bitmap. I usually go to black and white, okay? And we gotta turn this bitmap into a vector. So we're gonna go up here to trace bitmap, outline trace, line art. Let it do its thing, looks good to me, okay. The vector is on top of the bitmap. Why I still select it, you go up here to objects, go to order, move to back, select out of it, then select the bitmap, press delete. You should have the vector only. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that it's scaled to the size that you want. I got mine scaled around 2 inches in height, so this is what I went with. You want to make sure that it's a hairline, and we just want to go over here and unfill it. Next, we want to create a contour inside of it. Select contour and make sure it's on the inside. This is the outside, this is the inside. We're going to go with this one. 1 step and 0.1. Click the contour and it's gonna put a contour inside. So you wanna select it, go up here to object, break contour apart. Let's put a circle around here so we can have somewhere to connect it to the keys. So we wanna go up here to make it about 0.15 inches. Make sure that it's a hairline. And we're gonna grab this and we're gonna put it somewhere about right in here. You just want to make sure you got enough space between the circle and the edges. We're going to go up here to this virtual segment delete. Make sure you got this tool selected, and we're just going to delete the inside of it like so. And this is going to be the base part of the keychain. So next thing we want to do is select the whole design, edit, copy, edit, paste, and we want to move it over like so. Go up here to edit again, paste, select it again, and move it over so. So next you want to go over here to the virtual segment delete tool again. And you just want to go up. Like on this one, we're just going to delete the inside like so. This is going to be the back end. And then over here, we want to delete the outside. And we want to delete this top part of the circle right here like so. It'll make sense when we cut it out. And these are the pieces that we're gonna need to make the keychain. I already put together Tennessee and Texas. Now let's put together California. Also, let me know in the comments if this gives you any type of inspiration to create something. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Peace.